Let's talk about glimmers. What is that? A glimmer is the opposite of a traumatic experience. It is a positive experience. And so part of our practice here is to build out positive emotions within our body, to pay attention to the things that feel good. So I want to give you some examples of glimmers. Let's go. Taking the largest shadooby-doo-bop of your life and feeling so light that you could fly. Petting a cat. When you catch yourself in the mirror and you're like, girl, you look good. That feeling of absolute bliss when your head hits that pillow. Just feeling like, oh my God, there's nothing better. The smell of freshly cut grass. Unless, of course, you have allergies or you're shoving it up your nose, inside joke. A beautiful sunset and you realize, wow, life really can be magical. The taste of your favorite food. That moment when your house is clean and you feel like you finally have your life together for like 5 seconds. Can you find the glimmers?